Today I woke up to the ethereal beauty of a misty morning. As I peered through my window, I saw a soft hazy curtain outside. The air felt cool and crisp, hinting at the promise of a refreshing day ahead. Just as I marveled at the misty landscape, gentle droplets began to fall from the sky. The rhythmic clatter of raindrops on my window pane created a soothing symphony, awakening my senses and bringing a smile to my face. It was as if nature had orchestrated a magical performance just for me. On a rainy day, there is nothing quite as comforting as curling up with a cup of hot desi chai. The pitter-patter of raindrops against the window creates a soothing ambience, inviting you to slow down and embrace the moment. Now, when you prepare your favorite desi chai, please remember certain things in mind so that you do not end up making a bitter or tasteless one. Always crush your ginger and other ingredients before adding them to the milk. Add all the ingredients before you turn on the gas oven. After first boil, add 2-3 spoons of tea according to your requirement and let it simmer. This will release their essence, creating a symphony of flavors. As I prepare my strong desi chai, the aroma of spices fills the air, instantly warming the senses. Give it a second boil and then third. That's it. Strain the chai as soon as you turn off the gas stove so that the steam is maintained. Add honey, sugar or jaggery according to your preference and you are all set. The fragrant blend of cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and ginger mingles with the steam rising from the cup, enticing you further. As you watch the raindrops streak down the window, you are filled with a sense of gratitude for this simple pleasure. The rain brings a sense of renewal and freshness. And having a hot cup of chai with it is a reminder of the beauty in the simple joys that can be found in the smallest of moments.